Raspberries, with their vibrant red hue and sweet tart flavor, have long been one of the most beloved fruits worldwide. But did you know that this fruit, typically associated with temperate regions in Europe or North America, is gradually becoming a symbol of innovation in agriculture across Asia? In recent years, Asia has made a mark on the global agricultural map, not only with its iconic rice paddies or tropical fruits, but also with raspberries, a crop that is being cultivated and processed using cutting-edge technology. This story is not just about the fruit itself, but also about the people, technology, and groundbreaking creativity driving the agricultural and processing industries in Asia. Raspberries are not only visually appealing, but also packed with immense nutritional value. They are rich in vitamin C fiber and antioxidants, which help combat harmful free radicals, improve skin health, and boost heart health. Flavor profile: raspberries have a delightful balance of mild tartness and natural sweetness, making them ideal for fresh consumption, jams, juices, or smoothies. Health benefits: often labeled a superfood, they are highly recommended for regular consumption, especially for those focusing on a healthy lifestyle. Growing raspberries in Asia, particularly in countries like China, Japan, South Korea, and certain highlands of Vietnam, has seen remarkable advancements due to the adoption of innovative agricultural techniques. Ideal climate and soil conditions: raspberries thrive in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil and cool climates with temperatures ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Regions like Da Lat, Vietnam, Yunnan Province, China, and farms in Japan are ideal for raspberry cultivation. Selection of crop varieties: red and yellow raspberry varieties are commonly favored due to their adaptability to Asia's climates, high yield, and consistent quality. In Japan, certain farms have developed seedless raspberry varieties, offering a novel experience for consumers. Advanced care practices: irrigation. Drip irrigation systems are widely implemented to deliver water and nutrients efficiently. Pest management: farmers employ biological methods, such as natural predators or organic solutions, to minimize the use of harmful chemicals. Timely harvesting: raspberries are typically harvested early in the morning when temperatures are cooler to maintain their peak quality. Raspberries are delicate and prone to bruising, making the harvesting process an art that requires exceptional skill and care. Harvesting method: workers often hand-pick each berry to ensure its fragile structure remains intact. Every berry undergoes careful inspection before being placed in specialized trays for sorting. On-site preservation: after harvesting, raspberries are quickly chilled using mobile cold storage units on-site to retain their freshness before being transported to processing facilities. Cleaning and pre-processing: once delivered to the processing plants, raspberries go through cleaning processes using ozone or UV technology to remove dirt and bacteria. Diverse processed products: raspberry jam. Slowly cooked with natural sugars, raspberry jam emerges as a premium product for domestic and export markets. Juices and smoothies: cold pressing technology is used to retain maximum vitamins and nutrients, creating healthy beverage options. Freezing and drying: whole frozen raspberries and freeze-dried variants are gaining popularity in international markets, especially in the US, Canada, and Europe. Cosmetic ingredients: Raspberry seeds are extracted to produce oil rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are widely used in skincare products. High-tech applications. Processing plants in China and Japan utilize automated robots for sorting and packaging, enhancing productivity and reducing labor costs. Challenges. Limited shelf life. Raspberries are highly perishable and require swift processing post-harvest. High investment costs. Advanced processing technologies demand significant capital, especially in developing countries. Solutions. Employing modern cold storage technology and developing rapid supply chains to maintain berry quality. Encouraging collaboration between farmers and enterprises to share risks and economic benefits. Asian countries have proven that with creativity and perseverance, raspberries can become a strategic agricultural commodity. Not only do they meet domestic demands, but raspberry products are also successfully exported to high-demand markets such as the US, EU, and Japan. Notably, the raspberry industry in Asia has created millions of jobs, significantly improving rural livelihoods and contributing to a sustainable agricultural economy. From vibrant raspberry fields to high-quality products on the international stage. This journey is a testament to Asia's innovation and development potential. Join us as we continue exploring more success stories from agricultural products on this channel. If you found the story of raspberries inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more exciting journeys ahead. Welcome to an exciting story about a familiar yet highly promising agricultural product, cucumbers. From lush green fields to modern processing lines. The journey of cucumbers in Asian countries is not only about the hard work of farmers, but also a testament to innovation in processing technology and the immense economic value this humble fruit brings. Join me as we explore this captivating journey, where every cucumber not only quenches thirst, but also opens doors to international markets for Asian agriculture. Cucumbers are a globally beloved vegetable, often featured in daily dishes. In Asia, cucumbers go beyond their role in culinary delights, being processed into high-value products such as pickles, cucumber juice, cucumber-based cosmetics, and even dried cucumber snacks. With a high water content and rich nutritional profile, cucumbers offer numerous health benefits, such as improving skin, detoxifying the body, and aiding digestion. This makes them a strategic agricultural product in countries like China, India, and Vietnam, which enjoy favorable climates and abundant labor to drive cucumber cultivation and processing. Cultivation, the foundation of a successful crop. Cucumbers thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, requiring ample sunlight, loose soil, and efficient irrigation systems. Choosing high-quality seeds. Popular cucumber varieties such as Japanese cucumber or F1 hybrid are favored for their high yield, thin skin, few seeds, and refreshing taste. Adopting modern technology. In recent years, the use of greenhouses and hydroponic technology has significantly enhanced cucumber quality and yield in major growing regions like Shandong Province, China, and the Mekong Delta, Vietnam. Harvesting, precision in every step. Cucumbers are typically harvested while still young to retain their crunchiness and fresh flavor. This stage requires the careful hands of farmers to avoid damaging the fruit or the plants. Manual harvesting. Each cucumber is hand-picked and gently placed into bamboo baskets or plastic crates to prevent bruising. Sorting at the field. Cucumbers are categorized by size, color, and freshness. Those meeting quality standards are transported to processing facilities within 24 hours to maintain their freshness. Processing is a vital stage that helps Asian cucumbers reach major markets worldwide. It combines modern technology with traditional knowledge, delivering products that are both convenient and appealing. Cleaning and preserving. At processing plants, cucumbers are washed with high-pressure water and soaked in safe solutions to eliminate bacteria. Next, they undergo rapid cooling to retain their crisp texture and natural green color. Products made from cucumbers. Pickled cucumbers, a classic flavor. Cucumbers are pickled in large barrels with salt, vinegar, and traditional spices. This product is highly popular both domestically and internationally, especially in Japan and South Korea. Cucumber juice, a detox delight. Cucumbers are juiced and bottled as a refreshing drink or detox ingredient that is well loved in European and American markets. Cucumber-based cosmetics, natural beauty enhancers. Extracts from cucumbers are widely used in the cosmetic industry, creating masks, gels, and sunscreens rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Dried cucumber snacks, an innovative trend. Low-temperature drying technology preserves the crunch and refreshing taste of cucumbers. This snack is a rising trend, particularly popular among young consumers in various countries. Challenges. Cucumbers have thin skins, making them prone to damage during transportation. High refrigeration costs pose challenges for small-scale farmers. Solutions. Applying modified atmosphere packaging (MAP) technology to extend shelf life and maintain freshness. Supporting farmers with access to modern processing technologies through public-private partnership programs. From lush cucumber fields to advanced processing plants, the story of Asian cucumbers is not just an agricultural lesson, but also an inspiration about innovation and relentless effort. Cucumbers not only enrich dining tables but also promote sustainable agriculture in Asia on the global stage. If you find this story interesting, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating agricultural stories. See you in the next video.